Hello, so this morning we will be making fish curry. So for the ingredients you will need either haddock or cod, either frozen or fresh, ginger, garlic, onion, thyme, fresh thyme, lime, Scotch bonnet, tomatoes, carrots, spring onions, light fry olive oil, curry powder, black pepper, light coconut milk and some water. So for the fish curry, use fry light olive oil. Use about 4 sprays in a pan that's been warmed over the fire. Add garlic, which is all in one bowl. There's garlic, spring onions, thyme and ginger. And just give it a little stir again and saute that for a good 10 minutes or so until it starts sticking to the pan. If it does, just add a bit of water. So now you can add a teaspoon of curry powder to the onion, garlic, spring onion and thyme. And again, just add a little bit of water so it doesn't stick. As you can see, it's sizzling away there, look at that. Beautiful. And just again, let it simmer down. So now that all the onion, garlic, ginger has been sorted down and water's been added, add the rest of the ingredients, which is chopped tomatoes, thyme and carrots. And then add 3 teaspoons of coconut milk and just make sure everything is stirred together. And again, if you find it sticking, just add water. Just a little bit at a time, and then pop a lid on and let everything sweat down together. So now that all the veg has been cooked down in the curry, we will add the fish. So we'll add in smoked haddock, which will give it that bit of a nicer flavour, and just plain cod. But again, you can add any fish which you eat. And once we mix it all in with the veg, make sure everything's coated evenly. I'll just pop some black pepper, a sprinkle of black pepper over the top.